Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to fix iPhone camera not working. Now, there may be few reasons on why your iPhone camera is not working. So firstly, you need to open your camera, and there at the bottom right, you can see circle arrow icon. You have to simply tap on it. You have to keep on tapping it for a few minutes or few seconds, because sometimes this may be also the reason why your camera is not working. Another reason is to simply go back and go to your settings. Now there, tap on general, and at the second you can see software update, tap on it. Make sure that your iOS is up to date. If not, then there you will be seeing an update option. Simply tap on it and update your iPhone. And another reason is to go back, and there at the end you can see transfer or reset iPhone, tap on it and tap on reset. Now you can simply tap on reset all settings. And even after that, if it doesn't work, you can simply shut down or switch off your phone and turn it back again. And you can go to your camera and check it. And these are the few steps on how you can fix your iPhone camera not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.